this tutorial, I'll be showing you the procedure to create Spotify artist account. In order to create a Spotify artist account, you'll need to follow these simple steps. So first thing, you have to make sure to install Spotify on your device. Otherwise, you could also use a web browser. So for that, you want to type in spotify.com/sign up. So you just need to open up your browser, type in that. So now what next you need to do is here, click on a sign up button, and you could either go with the sign up or maybe Google account itself. So now I'm going to go ahead and simply enter in my following email address and tap on the next button. Now then it's going to ask you to create a password. So you could go and create it and tap on the next as well. Now this you have to check, or you have to create a profile name as well. Enter in your date of birth and year as well. And make sure to specify the gender as well. Scroll down and then tap on the next button. After you've done it, select your preferred display name, all that. Agree to our terms and conditions. Make sure to mark on the terms and click on sign up to complete the steps. And now you could see that you've successfully created your Spotify account. So this is the simplest way you could create your Spotify account. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.